Have you ever wondered how the green world around us manages to stay alive? What's the secret behind the lush greenery that provides us with the very oxygen we breathe? The answer lies in an intricate process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, a term that many of us learned in our early school years, is far more than just a buzzword in biology. It's the fundamental process that allows plants to harness energy from the sun and convert it into food. But how does this magical transformation happen? Let's delve in and unravel this mystery. To understand photosynthesis, imagine yourself as a leaf on a plant. Your day begins with the sunrise. As the sun's rays hit your surface, you start to absorb the light energy. But you're not just a passive sunbather. You have a job to do. You contain tiny structures called chloroplasts, which are the powerhouses of photosynthesis. Within these chloroplasts, there's a pigment called chlorophyll that gives you your characteristic green color. This pigment absorbs the sunlight and kickstarts the process. The energy absorbed by the chlorophyll is used to break down water molecules that the plant draws up from the soil through its roots. This process, known as photolysis, results in the release of oxygen and hydrogen ions. The oxygen is given off as a byproduct, providing the fresh air that we breathe. Meanwhile, the hydrogen ions are used in the second stage of photosynthesis, known as the Calvin cycle. Here, these ions combine with carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, aided by a series of enzymes and energy from absorbed sunlight, to produce glucose. This glucose is the plant's food, allowing it to grow and thrive. In a nutshell, photosynthesis is a two-step process. The light-dependent reactions happen in the chloroplasts, using sunlight to break down water molecules and release oxygen. The light-independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle, then use the hydrogen ions and carbon dioxide to produce glucose. But why is photosynthesis so important? Well, without this process, life as we know it would be impossible. Photosynthesis is the primary source of all oxygen on Earth, making it vital for the survival of all oxygen-breathing organisms, including us humans. It's also the starting point of the food chain, with plants providing food and energy for all other life forms. Moreover, photosynthesis plays a critical role in mitigating climate change. By absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, plants help to regulate our planet's climate and maintain the balance of nature. Understanding photosynthesis brings us closer to understanding the intricate web of life on Earth. It's a process that happens quietly yet persistently in every green leaf around us, powering the circle of life. So the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the silent work of photosynthesis that makes our world a vibrant, breathing, living place.